All right, so just yesterday, ChatGPT announced their latest frontier model, GPT-5. And it does have some significant leaps forward in a few areas. And a lot of the questions are now going to be, since Apple has ChatGPT integrated, when that will be coming to iOS, macOS, any AI or Apple intelligence device, so to speak. So, it's actually happening rather sooner than we were thinking. If you have a phone compatible or are thinking about getting the new iPhone 17 models that will most definitely have compatibility into Apple Intelligence, this will be coming actually in iOS 26. Kind of a surprise. Take a quick glance and discuss what this can do. First things first, when you have a device with Apple Intelligence and Siri compatibility, you will be able to look at your extensions that will expand over time, but currently is limited to ChatGPT. When you have this enabled, you can sign up for a plan or log into your existing one. You will be able to do a couple things. So first things first, you'll be able to use Siri to access ChatGPT. Siri can tap into ChatGPT to provide answers when it might be helpful for certain requests, including questions about photos and documents. So basically, let me go ahead and go into photos here, and let me pull this photo up right here. If you want, you can long press on the power button. What am I looking at in this picture? And you can see it's asking if you want to send a picture to ChatGPT. Obviously, it just kicked it off. And now it's going to go ahead and search. And it knows exactly I'm looking at a handheld scuba dive tank from the brand Didipoo. So that is something pretty cool I think you can do. You can use ChatGPT for writing tools. It can compose texts or images from just a description. And you can also use it with visual intelligence. So you can use visual intelligence with a camera control quickly to learn more about places and objects around you. So if you want to long press on your camera control, and then let's see if it can actually recognize what this magnetic paper is. This will be interesting. Let me zoom out really quick, take a photo, search the web. Let's see if you can find it first. Nope, it's looking like teal art glass, so that's definitely not it. But you can see how it will pull up things. And let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT, what is this paper? So you can see it's recognizing it as a wavy blue sheet of paper for crafts or something of that nature. Obviously not. This is a magnetic paper to see where magnets are located, just like you can see there. But yeah, that was a hard one. That's exactly what it can do. Now, in iOS 18, iPadOS 18, Mac Sequoia, and later Vision OS 2, ChatGPT integration within Apple Intelligence is now powered by GPT-4o. So this will be a nice step forward for it. It has confirmed, so this is being Apple, has confirmed to 9 to 5 Mac that these will benefit from the new models as soon as iOS 26. And in iOS 26, Apple Intelligence is gaining new capabilities across the iPhone and beyond. It includes live translation, which can obviously interpret conversations in FaceTime, phone, and messages in real time, and upgrades to visual intelligence as well. So, Apple will be, like we said earlier, and like we kind of showed you back in settings, Apple will be opening up these extensions in the near future, but currently it is only ChatGPT. There's rumors for Gemini. There's rumors now for Grok. It'll be very interesting to see how this progresses over the next few months. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Are you excited for ChatGPT 5 to be integrated with iOS 26? It's coming a lot sooner than I would have thought. Do you want to see other kind of LLMs come instead, so large language models? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.